Alrighty, quick video. Alfonse, first bit of colour. Woo woo! Fantastic. So we've given it a block down and a quick reprime because I want it to be better than what it was after the poly. So I was just had a few rub throughs, a little bit of extra filler needed, and we've got it all looking good now. Doors are looking good. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share a little colour with you because why not? So yeah, update on Alfonse is where the painting process is underway. All the inside we're just going to paint with a 2-pack black, and probably I'll be putting texture in it, and we might do a bit of red in the boot, but apparently you don't see anything inside, so it's not worth putting the base and clear in there. Yeah, so it's looking, the lines are looking really nice, and all the hard work's paid off. We've got nice door gaps when they're on. Yeah, super happy with that. And I love this color, it looks awesome. Not too bright, not too dark. And yeah, so it's not a show car by any means, but it looks nice. All right, this vid can go straight onto the tubes, and let us know what you think of that color. Is the car going to look hot or what? Or not? But we know it's going to.